Part 3. Cheating Husband. Liam's health worsened with each passing day. The man who once betrayed his vows was now a shadow of himself. Eventually, the disease claimed his life first, leaving Grace behind. But Grace refused to be broken. She faced her reality with courage, embraced treatment, and slowly rebuilt her life. Through faith and resilience, she found peace again and engaged fellow women living with HIV/AIDS in educative conversations. The world saw her as a widow, but in truth, she was a survivor stronger than the pain she endured. Moral lesson: Liam's choices led to his downfall. But Grace's strength proved that hope and faith can turn pain into victory. The end.